The stock market has been on a decline for the past week or so, leading many people to think that we're heading to a recession. With the tariffs that have just recently been put into place on Mexico and Canada and on China, it has not only impacted the US economy, but it's impacted the global economy as well, which leaves a lot of people scrambling when they see the market start to pull back and you start to see some of the value in your portfolios disappearing overnight. Now, if you're a newer investor or you're someone that's just been investing for a little while, it can be a little scary because as you see your account start to go down, the first thought that comes to many people's mind is, should you liquidate your account? Now, I'm here to tell you that that is not a good idea. And in fact, you want to be doing the exact opposite. So let me explain that a little bit. So whenever the market starts to go up, a lot of times people will start to invest for fear of missing out, or FOMO, right? So they will go in, they will start investing, and the market will continue to go up, and everything is good because you're making money and you're seeing your stock continue to go up. But on the flip side, when the market starts to pull back, a lot of people can't handle the drawdown in their portfolios and they start to sell. See, we have to flip our mindset and our mentality to go from buying when it's high and selling when it's low to buying when it's low and selling when it's high. So over this past weekend, I was talking to a couple of friends and we were just talking about the market and whether or not we were heading towards a recession and what did we think that the overall outcome with 2025 would lead us to. And the reoccurring thing that I kept coming back to in that conversation was, when there's blood in the streets, it's time to eat. So what I mean by that is, when the market pulls back, that's whenever you want to be loading up. You want to be adding when it's at the bottom, because this market will turn around. Now, if you're newer to investing or you've only been investing for a short time, that drawdown could scare you and you may not be able to stomach seeing that your portfolio values are starting to drop. But I can tell you the market will turn around. And this is the time where most millionaires are made. Millionaires are made when the market pulls back. And those of us that continue to invest on the way down will reap the benefits whenever the market returns. Now, I just want to go over a couple of stocks that were most recently trading at all-time highs that are now seen, in my opinion, as great value adds and great opportunities to add to your portfolio. So the very first one that I would take a look at would be AMD. And as of the recording of this video, AMD is trading at right around $97. So here's the thing with AMD. AMD was trading up near $210 near its all-time high. So right now at $97, you are able to invest in this position at half of what it was at its all-time high. Now, this is not investment advice. I just want to make that clear. I'm just pointing out that we were just at an all-time high on AMD, and the market is giving us an opportunity to buy a really good company at a discounted price. Now, another position that I'm looking at is Amazon. And Amazon, as of the recording of this video, is trading at right around $195. And if we take a look back, they were trading at around $240 per share. So that's about $45 difference for where Amazon was trading to where it's trading at today. So again, that's another opportunity to enter into a position of a blue chip company that was trading at $45 to $50 higher earlier in the year. So another company that I'm watching is Microsoft. And as of the recording of this video, Microsoft is trading right around $381. And again, we'll take a look at where Microsoft was trading near its all-time highs, which was around $470. So you're looking at about a $90 sell-off from Microsoft's high to where it is today. Another buying opportunity that you could invest in a blue chip, solid company whenever it pulls back, because we know history tells us that the market will turn around. And this is the time where you want to actually start buying to make sure you're securing your financial future. Now we'll go ahead and we'll take a look at one more company, and I'm going to take a look at NVIDIA. Now, NVIDIA has been beaten up over the past 3 or 4 weeks, especially with the news coming out of China with DeepSeek and some of the other things that are going on in the AI space. But as of today, it's trading at right around $108 a share. And if we take a look back, NVIDIA was trading up near $155 per share. So again, the market is presenting more buying opportunities for us to get in when the price is down in order to make sure that we can ride that wave when the market turns back around. Now, I just want to make sure that I point out one more time that this is not investment advice. I just wanted to point out the fact that whenever the market pulls back, that's when we want to start focusing on investing as much as possible, because that's going to give us the best opportunity to buy these stocks, buy these companies at discounted prices and hold them for the long term and wait for the market to turn around and move back to the upside. All right, so what do you guys think about this recent pullback / correction in the market? Do you think we're heading towards a recession? And are you doubling down and tripling down on your investments to ensure that you can secure the bag in the future? Leave a comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.